Bakit niya ginawa? Ano ba, brutal ang ginawa ng anak ko at pinatay niyang ganun-ganun na lang? Para sila walang puso.
Bawal po, baka mahulog. Saluhin mo.
Kuya, please! Hindi ko naman siya kayang galawin, kuya. Babae ako siya, kaya niyang pumatay. Oo. Gusto ko lang siya makita, personal lang po. Kuya, nakikiusap po ako. May mga kapatid ko, may mga anak ko sa'yo nangyayari yan. Hindi lang ganito gagawin mo.
Wala sa otoridad ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang pagbigay ng passage sa inyo diyan. Wala sa authority namin.
Sir, mas pinoprotektahan pa yung suspect.
Wala sa maliwanag, wala po sa authority namin.
Makita lang namin siya ng... Konting respeto lang.
You know, look at them. They're standing there and having fun, seeing that. But no one takes charge.
Magpapakulong po kami.
No one is man enough to have the guts to stand there and discuss that topic with the
Wala
family.
rin silang pakisama eh, para din
They're
hindi sila
hiding
mga
away and
Pilipino.
looking there and
Gusto lang namin
fighting.
makita, wala kaming gagawin.
That is the most
Para maisip naman talaga namin na sure na nandyan.
No.
This afternoon, after talking with Attorney Harry Roque and the other lawyer and the family, Brigadier General Ang, the camp commander, has invited him and the party for a meeting at the headquarters service command, wherein they had a meeting to discuss things on what the events transpired.